What to do if you got temporarily banned or blocked on Messenger. This might have happened because you violated some sort of terms and conditions on Messenger, and because of this, you got banned or blocked, and you cannot message or receive message from anyone. So if you have violated any kind of policies or terms and conditions, then there is nothing you can do about it. But if you still got blocked but you didn't do anything, then you can report a problem to Meta or Facebook. So in order to do that, you'll have to open your Facebook and make sure your Facebook is connected with your Messenger. And here you are going to tap on Help and Support and report a problem. This will create a report, and tap on Don't Include and go to Messages. And here you can write a short description of what happened. So I've written a short message here saying I haven't done anything wrong but still got blocked on Messenger. Please assist me to fix this problem. And you just tap on the send button. This will send your problem to Meta, and they will get back to you, and hopefully they will fix your problem and you'll be able to use your Messenger normally again. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.